Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to learn about sky, grass and root letters. Do you know, kids, what are sky letters, grass letters and root letters? Sky letters that go up above the three lines. For example, B. Kids, grass letters that center of the two lines. For example, C. And kids, root letters that go below the three lines. For example, G. These are sky letters B, D, F, H, K, L and T. These are grass letters A, C, E, I, M, N, O, R, S, U, V and W. Kids, these are root letters G, J, P, Q and Y. Let's start, kids. Identify the sky, grass and root letters B, D, F, H, K, L, T. These are sky letters A, C, E, I, M, N, O, R, S, U, V, W, X and Z. These are grass letters G, J, P, Q, Y. These are root letters.
Al-Kabeer Publisher is an Islamic institute. We create beautiful, easy to understand Islamic books filled with colors and lessons that help children learn about Islam with knowledge and joy. Our mission is to nurture young hearts to love the Prophet ﷺ and to walk the path of goodness. Al-Kabeer Publisher, where every page shines with fragrance of faith.